Light of grace eternal, shine through the heart inferno. When the night surrounds my soul, your gentle light makes me whole. Every tear becomes a flame. Love forever knows my name. You lift the broken, calm the sea. Your mercy lives in me. Light of grace eternal, burn so bright, guide my heart through endless night. Every shadow fades away. In your glow I choose to stay. Waves of fear now turn to peace. In your truth I find release. Every breath becomes a song. You've been with me all along. Faith awakening from the dust. In your promise still I trust. Light of grace eternal, burn so bright, guide my heart through endless night. Every shadow fades away. In your glow I choose to stay. Let your presence flood this ground. Heaven's glory all around. Lift me higher, make me new. All my days belong to you. Through the valleys, through the flame, still I call upon your name. Every dawn a chance to shine. Your reflection lives in mine. Hallelujah. Light restore, faith and love forevermore. Light of grace eternal, pure and true. Every heartbeat sings of you. Shine forever, never fade. Through your love the world is made. Light of grace, my soul's desire. Set this heart in holy fire.
Waves are crashing, skies are torn. Still your peace keeps me reborn. In the chaos, in the fight, you are my guiding light. Even when the winds grow wild, gone. You remind me I belong. Faith unbroken, love untamed. Forever I'll proclaim your name. Hallelujah, oceans roar, your kingdom stands forevermore. Anchor of my faith, you hold me still. Through every wave I trust your will. All my life your truth remains. Love unshaken breaks the chains. Anchor of my faith, my song. With you I'll always belong.
Heart of morning light, awake in love, awake in light, softly breaking through the sky. Your promise warms my eyes. In your presence, peace is near. Every doubt begins to clear. Hope is rising, faith takes flight. Your glory paints the night. Hearts of morning light, we sing joyful praise to heaven's King. Every shadow fades away. In your love, a brighter day. Every breath a brand new song. In your grace we still belong. Hands uplifted, soul set free. You shine eternally. Golden rays through clouds above. Fill the world with endless love. Hearts of morning light, we sing joyful praise to heaven's King. Every shadow fades away. In your love, a brighter day. Let your spirit fill the air. Holy peace is everywhere. Every rhythm, every sound. Heaven's heartbeat all around. Through the trials, through the tears, you've been faithful all these years. Grace surrounds, your truth will stay, guiding us along the way. Hallelujah, dawn is near. Your voice is all we hear. Hearts of morning light, arise, sing your name across the skies. Faith unending, shining bright. Jesus, you're our guiding light. Hearts of morning light, so true. All our praise belongs to you.
Whoa, rise of the faithful, hearts alive, unchangeable. From the ashes, hope will rise. Faith unfolds before my eyes. Every battle, every cry turns to praise that fills the sky. Your spirit calls the weak to stand. Grace empowers every land. Rise of the faithful, shine so bright, walking boldly. In your light, chains are broken, truth revealed. By your power we are healed. Through the fire we will go, carried by the love we know. Every storm and raging sea bows before your majesty. Your kingdom reigns, your word is true. All the glory belongs to you. Rise of the faithful, shine so bright, walking boldly. In your light, chains are broken, truth revealed. By your power we are healed. Let your fire fill this place, cover earth with holy grace. Every heart and every tongue join the anthem we have Through the darkness, through the pain, faithful love will still remain. Every nation will declare your glory everywhere. Hallelujah, voices rise, worship reaches to the skies. Rise of the faithful, lift your name forever. You're the same, hearts united, strong and true. Every beat belongs to you. Rise of the faithful, we proclaim victory in Jesus' name. Kingdom of light, your glory breaks the night. The dawn is calling, faith awake. Hearts are healed, no more mistake. Every shadow starts to fade when your truth invades. Heaven moves, your power reigns. Freedom sings through all domains. Kingdom of light, forever we stand. Guided by grace, held in your hand. Hope ignites, the darkness flees. Your love brings nations sing. You're the everlasting King. Every battle, every fight ends in victory through your light. Hallelujah, trumpets sound, heaven's glory all around. Kingdom of light shining bright, glory eternal, pure delight. Every heart and every tongue sings the anthem you've begun. Kingdom of light, forever true. All our praise belongs to you.
Breath of heaven's light, you make the dark turn bright. In the stillness of my soul, you breathe and make me whole. Every fear begins to fade. In your peace, I'm unafraid. Your whisper calms the deepest sea. Your mercy lives inside of me. Breath of heaven's light, renewed. Every moment shines with you. Faith restored my spirit free. Your love keeps surrounding me. Through the silence, through this place, your presence calls my name. Hope arises, grace takes flight. You turn my tears to light. Your promise glows, your truth remains. Eternal peace within my veins. Breath of heaven's light, renewed. Every moment shines with you. Faith restored my spirit free. Your love keeps surrounding me. Let your spirit fill this place. Cover hearts with endless grace. Every breath a song of praise. Glory rising through the haze. Hey. and bright. Heaven's wind ignites the night. Breath of heaven's light, remain. Flow through joy and flow through pain. Every soul to you will sing. Jesus Christ, our risen King. Breath of heaven's light, so pure. Your love forever will endure.
Glory awakens, light of heaven breaking through. Night is fading, grace is near. Every heart begins to hear. Chains are gone, the fear erased. We rise within your holy grace. The morning sky proclaims your name. Forever true, forever same. Glory awakens, hearts alive, faith restored, our souls revived. Heaven is open, light has come. We stand in awe of the risen Son. Every valley, every shore sings your truth forevermore. Hope is rising, love renewed. All creation calls to you. Spirit moving, joy unfolds. Your promise brighter than gold. Glory awakens, hearts alive, faith restored, our souls revived. Heaven is open, light has come. We stand in awe of the risen Son. Let the fire fall again, burning bright in hearts of men. Every nation, every tongue, lift you high, the Holy One. Through the ages, through the flame, your kingdom always stays the same. Grace unending, mercy wide, you're forever by our side. Hallelujah, thunder rings, glory crowns the King of Kings. Glory awakens, dawn of light, the shadows vanish in your mind. Heaven rejoices, songs are born, praise resounds in endless mourn. Glory awakens, strong and true, everything made new in you. Glory awakens, glory awakens.
Every breath a gift from you. Every dawn your mercies new. In the stillness I'm restored. Your love forever adored. Through the silence, peace abides. Your light within me never hides. Spirit of endless grace, flow through me, embrace, wash away the fear and pain. Your